This lesson is for class 1 and 2. Today I will tell you about the keyboard and its keys. This is part 2. So today I am going to tell you about backspace key, delete key and space bar. Okay, and I will tell you how it is used and what's the function of all these keys. Now if you see, if I type something, if you can see here, now this is part 2. Okay, for class 1 it is chapter 6 and for class 2 it is chapter 4. Now let me go to enter key. Now what is enter key? If you see here, enter key here and one more under numeric pad that I've told you in part 1. This is the numeric pad. So there are two enter keys, E and TR, enter key. Now what's the use of enter key? Now if I bring my cursor, if you can see the cursor here, there's a small blinking line, this is the cursor. If I press enter key, now I'm pressing enter key, you just see what happens on the screen. It goes to next line, yes. Okay, so again, yes, can you see? So the cursor has gone to next line. So to move the cursor to the next line, I press enter key, and there are two enter keys. So what happens when I press backspace? Now it's written here class 1 and 2. Can you see this? Yes, blinking line. If I press backspace, what will happen? Yes, the letter to the left of the cursor get erased to the left of the cursor. Okay, now one is left side and right side. Now let me bring my cursor here. Now let me bring a cursor here and see, this is my left side, this is my left side, and this is the right side. If you see, now 2 is towards the right of the cursor. Now if I press delete key, I will press delete key, just see what happens. Yes, so any character to the right of the cursor gets deleted. That's the difference between backspace and delete key. Now let me type here something. Let's say I'm typing here computer. Let me type computer using caps lock key that I've told you. This is now it's on. So all the letters will appear in capitals. COMPUTER. It's computer. Now let's say by mistake I have written here by mistake. For example, I'm saying OR. Okay. There's a spelling mistake here. I want to delete it. So what will happen with the help of the arrow keys that I explained? You can move the cursor. Now arrow key. Now if you see, I have to erase O. So what you do? It's towards the left of the cursor. So you use backspace. Now yes. Now I can type E. Okay. So that's the difference. So whatever is towards your left, you can erase that with backspace key. Now again, let me see. Now if I say instead of R, okay, I have typed here, let's say, okay, again OR. Okay, I'm typing wrong. Now the cursor is here. Can you see just after T? Now O is to the right side. Of the cursor. So I will not use backspace. If I use this, T will disappear. T will be, what will happen? T will get erased. But no, I want to get O. I want to remove O. I want to erase O. So how? So for this I will press delete key. Isn't it? So when I press delete key, can you see? Yes. So if you want to erase any character means letter, number, special characters. So you have to press delete key, del key. Okay. Is this clear? Yes. So if you want to erase towards the right, now let me press again. Yes. Can you see? R is erased. Okay. Is this clear? So for backspace towards the left, for right you have to press delete key. Okay, yes. So that is the difference between backspace and delete key. Now I have told you enter key is to bring the cursor down. Okay, move to the next line. If I press enter key, it will move to the yes. Now let me tell you about space bar now. Space bar. Now what's the use of space bar? Space bar, the longest key on the keyboard. This is the space bar. Okay, the longest key on the to get spaces. Like you put one finger space now when you write. So if you want to get space, let me say, suppose I want to get space here. Okay, I want to get space here. For that, I will press space. I will press space bar. Can you see? Yes, to get spaces. So this is the way to get spaces. Okay. Yes. So space bar is the longest key on the keyboard, and it is used to get spaces between letters, words, numbers. So boys, this is for today.